On this episode of Moving Up, we're gonna tour you through an incredible home here in Bearspaw Village. You're gonna love this. Maybe you thought of living in an acreage? Well, this might be the one for you. Moving Up Property Tours is all about taking you through some incredible listings here in Calgary that are ready for you to move up into. So if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we're gonna have a lot more of these property tours for you in the future. Now, if you've ever wanted to make a move to an acreage, this property is something you're gonna love. But I wanna show you the location, where we are, because you have to appreciate the surroundings. You are only 5 minutes from Calgary. You have 2 acres of land here, and man, oh man, the ravine that's right behind me here, that is stunning. So let's go check out that first before we let you fall in love with this house. Here it is, your backyard. Can you imagine yourself being here, winding down after a day, coming home, going for a walk on the 3 kilometers of trails here? Man, there are some incredible spots back here, and this could all be your backyard. Now, can you imagine yourself living here? So you might be wondering, what does $1 million get you? Well, we want to show you this home, and this home is unique. It is warm, it's inviting, and it's got an incredible chalet feel with this sunken living room. As you can see, this sunken living room is a dream with massive windows, all east facing, big open staircase, and just imagine sitting here in the winter with your soaring vaulted ceilings, with a fire crackling, a glass of wine, enjoying life. This house has such a functional layout that it is incredible for hosting your friends and family. You can set up a massive Christmas tree, have parties, invite your colleagues, your friends over, and have room to spare. What I love about this space is how functional it is. And I already talked about functionality, but take a look at this. You have an incredible dining area right here, overlooking your sunken living room, and right through here is your kitchen. You're gonna love this kitchen. Man, you've got some wonderful granite countertops here. It is extremely functional. There are tons of cupboard space and counter space here. And the best part, what I love about this kitchen is the view. I mean, this house is full of them. It is full of windows. It is full of these incredible views. Standing here, cooking a meal and looking out east, you're gonna have some incredible evenings with your family here. This home has an incredible east-facing backyard. So you can only imagine the sun coming up over here, right? And just sitting there having your coffee in the morning. But also, you've got incredible protected garden space, fire pit, and a dog run. But imagine the sun setting over this side and everything just bouncing off the hills and just having incredible views. So as we journey on through this house and you're learning what $1 million can buy you for an acreage out here in Bearspaw, you have this fantastic family room. Now currently this is a den, but it can be turned back into a family room. The whole connectivity of this home is just incredible because when we walk out here, we're back out to the front of the house, the living space, the heart of the home where there's all the windows and the fireplaces and everything you're gonna love. Now, as you head upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, but what I want to show you is this master bedroom over here. Check out this master bedroom with an ensuite. Again, this house is all about the views. You're facing east here again, and the sunrises in the morning are gonna wake you up. There's no other better way to wake up in the morning. So we are down here in the basement, and let me tell you, this basement still has big windows, your second wood-burning fireplace, and because this floor is a little bit lower, you actually have stairs going up right here to the other levels. It is super unique, super cozy, and you're gonna love it. All right, come with me this way because through the games room is my second favorite feature of this property. And right in here, you get to have your very own sauna. Or is it sauna? You say sauna or sauna? Sauna? Thank you so much for watching this tour. I hope you got to see what a $1 million acreage is like in Bearspaw. Now, if you want to see this home, just reach out, let us know. And if you have a home that you would like to be showcased in a future episode of Moving Up, let us know, and we'll definitely be glad to help you guys out. Click this button to subscribe, hit another video of our property tours right here, and up here, it's just a video we know you're gonna love.